डिस्काउंट क्या? इट इज अलाउंस और रिडक्शन or concession in the price of goods when we purchase or sell. We buy or sell. तो ये एक तरह का छूट है, रियायत है जो क्रय विक्रय करते समय वस्तु के दिया जाता है. There are two types of discount. First is trade discount. Here the word trade discount, you have already explained you what is discount. Now the meaning of trade is here import and exports. When the goods are imports and exports, it may, the goods are when imports or export, it may be on the cash basis or it may be on the credit basis. Cash basis, when it is sell, it is on the cash memo, and when it is sell on the credit basis, then it is on the invoice price. तो ये आयात और निर्यात को ही ट्रेड करते हैं. ये it may be on cash or it may be on credit. Second is cash discount. By name itself mentioned here, the discount word is written along with the cash. Here the discount word is written with the cash. It means that the goods are sold on purchase. Whenever the goods are sold or purchase, it may be on the cash basis, not on the credit basis. Here the both credit and cash transaction are done. Here only the cash transaction are done. We will explain one by one. First is the basis on what basis TD is given. TD is given always on the allowed on listed price or on the catalog price. Okay. How TD is given? TD is given on the listed price. TD जब दिया था trade discount वो listed price है, catalog price. What is the listed price? Decision amount price. That price where the manufacturer include little bit of margin and the cost of raw material and expense incurred at that time of making the goods. Where CD is allowed on MRP, maximum retail price, or on the selling price. Here are the parties. Who are the parties? TD, manufacturer, and the wholesaler. Wholesaler to the retailer. The ECD is seller and customer. Consumer you can call also, or creditor to debtor. Timing is also important. In TD, date of sale is much more important than the date of payment. Here, the aim of the manufacturer is to sell the goods in bulk quantity and vacant storage so that it may not remain for long period. Otherwise, the goods will be damaged or it may be outdated. So, जल्दी से जल्दी माल को बेचना है उधारी या नकदी में जैसे भी करके, ताकि मैन्युफैक्चर को घाटा ना सके और उसका माल बर्बाद ना हो सके. TD is allowed on date of sale irrespective of डेट ऑफ पेमेंट. पेमेंट के बारे में ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता है ज्यादा. सेल के ऊपर ज्यादा से ज्यादा बल्क क्वांटिटी में गुड्स को बेचा जाए. डेट ऑफ सेल irrespective of डेट ऑफ पेमेंट. CD कैश पेमेंट इज प्रमोटेड. कैश पे ज्यादा महत्व दिया जाता है. नाउ द ऑब्जेक्टिव. What is the objective of TD? The main objective of TD is to leave a fair margin of profit so that retailer further sell to the wholesaler further sell the leave a fair margin profit so that wholesaler further sell it to the retailer. मैन्युफैक्चर किसको बेचा इसमें होलसेलर को बेचता है. फिर होलसेलर किसको बेचता है? रिटेलर को कुछ अपना मुनाफा रखे. नाउ इन CD to encourage for कैश. इसमें कैश पे ज्यादा महत्व दिया जाता है. इंकरेज किया जाता है कैश के लिए. कैश पेमेंट एंड हियर द रिकॉर्ड्स. नो बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स are maintained, whereas in CD books of accounts are made, books of accounts are maintained, in cash book and in the ledger. Both TD and CD are given simultaneously. How first the TD is given from the listed price, then after the CD is given, so that we will get the net price. First we will give from the listed price, then second from the listed price से क्या करेंगे? TD को माइनस कर देंगे. and second from that TD from that after from TD and CD both simultaneously given. First we will give the TD deducted from the listed price. Then after CD is given, to arrive the net price. At the time of purchase return or sale return, TD is deducted again from the listed price. Then after net amount is arrived. Okay. Now what is the listed price? Listed price that I already mentioned that it is the amount of raw material plus expenses per little rate of profit of the manufacturer. That amount is the listed price. Journal entry is made for the cash allowance only. No journal entry is made for the freight allowance. Discount is always journal entries for cash allowances. Discount is always nominal account. Discount receive is revenue under the nominal account. Discount allowed is expense, where discount allowed is always debited and discount received is always credited. Okay, I will try to explain it in this way. Now I will make you understand by some giving formula. Now what is the invoice price? बीजक में जिसको बोलते हैं is the listed price minus TD. What is the net price? Net price is equal to invoice price minus CD, cash discount. Now try to understand these two formula. Here the इनवॉइस प्राइस कैसे होता है? लिस्टेड प्राइस में टीडी माइनस करेंगे तो आपको इनवॉइस प्राइस मिल जाएगा, और व्हेन वी डिडक्ट इट फ्रॉम द इनवॉइस प्राइस सीडी वी विल गेट द नेट प्राइस. Always remember that discount is always expressed in the percentage form. Discount is always expressed in percentage form. Okay. Now how we will calculate the cash discount? Listed price minus TD percentage of CD divided by 100, we will get the